I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Battery above 20% and do not disturb disabled so alarm adjustments take effect. Once done, open settings and go straight to sound and vibration or sounds. Make sure you find the alarm volume slider rather than media or call volume because those are separate. You need the alarm control to raise the wake level. If your device uses a clock app with its own volume, open that app now so you can adjust both system and app settings without missing steps. You should move the alarm volume slider up to around 80 to 100% for reliable waking. Do this slowly to avoid clipping. Next, change the alarm tone to a loud, high-frequency, or attention-grabbing sound because tone matters as much as volume. Once set, schedule a quick test alarm for 1 minute from now to hear the result. Testing confirms both volume level and tone choice. If the alarm is still quiet, check speaker cleanliness and any protective cases that muffle sound. To finish, enable any alarm max volume or increase gradually features in the clock app so alarms start softer then reach full level. This preserves comfort while ensuring wakefulness. If necessary, pair an external Bluetooth or smart speaker and set it as the alarm output to boost loudness. If you don't hear anything, make sure Do Not Disturb allows alarms, disable volume limits or hearing protection settings, and grant the clock app notification and background permissions. These fixes resolve most silent alarms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.